Powerade, sana kunin nyo si Barakael sa draft.
O yun,
Ayan ang
sa
text dito.
draft, di ba? So, siguro next question kay Gerard. Meron na bang players na
Hmm.
na iniisip niyong kuhanin para din sa coming draft?
Sa ngayon wala pa dahil wala pa yung lineup, yung submission of yung application ng mga
Mga
rookies
players.
Oo.
So, last minute na naman.
Malamang deadline yan.
Oo.
Mga mag-a-apply din last minute.
Oo.
Last day na sila.
Mhm.
Tapos yun nga, may nag-text nga sa akin
Hindi.
Telegenic daw kami. Vicky Prakale, kamusta ka dyan?
Alam nga ako na, di ba? Na-announce natin yung cable.
Yun nga, yung sa Gilas nga. Depende pa sa Gilas kung magpapadraft sila.
Sige, wishlist. Sige, wishlist lang. Sino ang wishlist mo dyan? Mga Polly dyan. Sige.
Basta kung ano yung kailangan ng... Ayoko magbanggit, di ba?
Baka mamaya.
Oo.
Baka mamaya.
Kung ano yung kailangan ng...
Baka may draft ng Barako Bull dyan.
ng point guard, wingman or big man. Kung ano yung kailangan namin, yun ang ida-draft namin.
Okay.
Teka, may tatanong ako kay Rob Reyes. Si Rob, naglaro, you're playing in the PBL before. I was covering you play the PBL. And I was expecting you, akala ko pupunta ka na ng PBA. Suddenly, you went home. What happened there? After about 2 years ago, I think.
Yeah, after the 05-06 PBL season, we won the championship with Harbor Center that year. And I was expecting to actually enter the draft. I had at the time I had a Filipino passport, and with my family history, I was assuming that it would be easy sailing into the draft. But unfortunately, my father was missing kasi film ako. My mom is American, so kailangan ko ng mga papers na proof ng citizenship. Akala ko okay lang yung passport ko.
Kasi passport na.
Filipino passport. Pero hindi, kailangan ko pa ng mga papeles ng daddy ko. So when my father got divorced from my mom, he lost some of those papers, and I have to get it from the States. So it took over a year to acquire those papers. So after the PBL, I when I couldn't enter the PBA, I decided to go home to Florida with my wife and prepare my papers. And luckily, it took longer than expected, but luckily eventually it came through, and I was able to enter the draft in 08. So it was a long time coming, but I didn't give up, and eventually I got in the draft.
So hindi ka na disappointed, 2 taon yun nawala mo, earning capacity ng PBA yun, di ba? Tapos I think that would have been good timing, coming in from a championship team.
Yes.
Grabe yung confidence level mo sigurado at the time, and then suddenly wala, 2 taon, di ba?
It was very disappointing. It was heartbreaking actually, because it was my dream ever since I was a kid to play in the PBA. I watched my uncle Eric, my Tito Eric, play for Ateneo.
Eric Reyes.
When I visited, I watched him play at Ateneo. Then I came back another time and watched him play for Mobiline, and then again for Alaska. So I followed the PBA as far as I can remember, and it was my dream. So when I couldn't play, it was very heartbreaking. I didn't give up. I trained. I was teaching high school. So I would wake up early, like 5 a.m. and work out in the gym, then go to work, to pay the bills. But here I am, and luckily, I'm with a good franchise like Powerade, where they take care of me, and I accomplished my dream of playing, and hopefully we can continue to have more success in that. But it was heartbreaking to not make it, and it would have been good timing too. It would have been good timing with the energy from the championship.
Yeah, but some good news. You're a big man. So traditionally, big men have long careers.
Oo.
Di ba? Asi Taulava, I think 40s na siya.
So, magagalit siya si Asi, ayun na narinig yung mga ganyan.
So si Rob, 28 pa lang si Rob. So you have a lot of playing years ahead of you.
Papa.
Yes, it was unfortunate to miss out 2 years of my young prime when I was playing at a high level, and then to get the timing back and everything of playing again took a while. Plus, I was injured my rookie year, so it's been difficult. But you're right. I mean, at this time in the PBA, a lot of the other big men are towards the end of their careers. I think they're still effective, but Father Time's going to catch up with everybody. So, and it's a good timing for me.
Sayang lang, kami na Roel, hindi na kami eligible eh.
You have Julio there for you.
Exactly.
Kailangan.
Baka kaya kayo ibalik ni Julio.
Dali, Roel. Sabi, Roel, malakas ba ang Petron? Sinong import?
Sino
import ba ngayon?
Ito, masakit sa Petron. Import nila, mukhang tapos na.
Ano tapos na?
Jeremy Wise, wala na. Malakas
Ah.
ang import nila, pero injured na talaga eh. So, may,
Ah.
ano yung, may diagnosis na Julio, sabihin ko.
Parang nabasa ko MCL tear or meniscus tear. Meniscus tear.
Ganun.
So, yun yung nandun sa gitna ng tuhod na.
Mm.
So, wala na talaga. So, pauwi na nila. Sayang, magaling yun eh.
Oo
Si
nga.
Jeremy Wise. Pero ang good news nga is naipanalo nila yung last game nila flying all Filipino.
All Filipino.
Tapos ngayon, nasa top sila ng standings.
Dami naman nilang
Oo. Oo.
Kaya okay lang, parang may mga import na rin.
Kaya so
Uh-huh.
hopefully tuloy-tuloy din 'yan na laro nila. Meron na yata silang na parating na na bagong import.
Hopefully they maybe they struggle one game, maybe their next game with their new import, and then they can play good maybe after that.
Mm.
So
Power niya pala.
yun nga yun, inisip was thinking.
Si Jay Washington daw, kaya maglalaro.
Wala pang anong latest ba kay
Mm.
Jay Was? Wala pa. Parang ano yan, yung kumisa yung mga injuries na ganyan, very nakakatakot eh.
Mm.
Tingnan mo si Kirby Raimundo, di ba?
Oo.
Sa ilang beses nang akala nila babalik na, lalaro na ngayon this conference, suddenly,
Ah.
ngayon. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin naglalaro.
Nalala mo dati, ito Roel, huwag mo ikakaila, alam mo yung story ito.
Ano?
Kay Dondo ng Palayo dating galing-galing ni Dondo ng Palayo.
Oo,
Biglang suddenly nawala dahil sa mga injuries.
kaya nga. So,
Oo.
very fragile yung mga injuries na ganyan,
Mm.
napakadelikado. Kaya kailangan mo talaga mahusay yung mga staff mo na
Kaya may mga ganito, yung mga tulad ni Julio.
yun ang trabaho nila na pahabaan yung career.
Ito mo, sa NBA, kinakapos sila ng magagaling. Tignan mo si Andrew Bynum kung kanino lumapit. Kay Alex Ariza lumapit si Andrew Bynum.
Ayun, trainer ni Manny Pacquiao.
Trainer ni Manny Pacquiao.
So,
Naubusan. Siguro hindi na nakilala si Julio doon.
Wala silang mga
Punta lang siya ng Manila.
Manila si Andrew Bynum. Wala bang wala bang papasuking trade sa ngayon ng Powerade? Alisin nyo na si... Parang may ilus
Sino pinapalis? Sino pinapalis sila? Sino pinapalis na player ba? Ayaw banggitin.
Hindi ka nakamagitin.
Ayaw banggitin.
Siguro yung trade na yan, actually marami naman trades eh.
Mm.
During, mali mo, sa third conference, may mga trades. Hindi naman sabi eh. Pag may magandang deal, di ba?
Sabagay.
Yung sa, I keep emphasizing this na sinasabi ko, yung kung gaano ka-importante yung trabaho ni Julio. Kasi naalala ko nun, yung ibang teams hindi nila masyadong pinapansin yan eh. Tapos naalala ko nun yung si Kenneth Duremdes, nung nalipat siya ng team, parang hindi siya masyadong na-supervise, na-tear yung calf niya. So, kumbaga natapos yung career niya ng di oras. So,
Maaga.
so yung gano'n kasi kumbaga yung trainer niya, the time, bodybuilder rin, di ba? So hindi na-supervise maigi. So, ang inisip ko na may 2 taon pa si Kenneth eh. Pero dahil na-tear nga yung calf niya dahil hindi masyadong supervise. So, talagang napaka-importante ng mga ganyan eh, yung trabaho ng pagka not only yung mga trainers not only do they prolong the careers of players, but they prevent yung unnecessary injuries na kamukha niya, di ba?
Pero yung mga katulad ba ni Julio, sa mga ganito lang ba kailangan? Halimbawa, sa football, meron din ba kailangang mga katulad mo?
Meron din. Sa lahat naman ng sport, actually.
Sa lahat ng sport.
So, you want to, may kasabihan nga sila, parang you want to be fit to play sports. You don't play sports to get fit.
Ayun.
Parang, so,
Si
hindi
Ruel
lang...
yung nagpapayo ng ganyan eh. Ayan. Pinapayo na Ruel yan.
Kasama yun.
Kaya kami nag-ano tayo? Nag-boxing gym ba tayo?
Nag-boxing din tayo. Nag-gym din tayo.
Isang Sunday
diba?
lang.
Hindi
Tapos
natuloy.
na agad.
Saka abangan niyo yung UP Maroons.
UP
Si
Maroons.
Julio ang trainer dun.
Ganun pala ha. Okay.
Di ba Ateneo? Hindi na Ateneo yun.
Sa UP ako nag-aral eh. So, parang tinawag ako ng puso ko na kailangan tumulong.
Okay. Tayo nauubusan na ng oras. Parang baka mayroon silang mga huling mensahe sa mga listeners and viewers natin. Si Gerard.
Maraming salamat ulit sa pag-imbita dito. Sana hindi kayo magsawa. Yun nga, sana supportan nyo yung PBA. Kailangan talaga namin ng supportan nyo mga fans. And especially sa Powerade.
Ayan yung inaayos na yung coverage.
Ayun nga, new season, sana maganda rin yung ng fans namin.
Okay, si Julio.
Yes, salamat sa pag-imbita sa amin, sa magagandang salita na binigay nyo. Yun, kailangan namin, we hope you support us, the Powerade Tigers, although medyo disappointing in previous conferences, but